Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture number 16. In this lecture, we learn about molecular orbital energy level diagram of F2 molecule. In the MO energy level diagram of F2 molecule, firstly we see the electronic configuration of fluorine atom. Here, fluorine molecule is formed by combination of two fluorine atoms. So, in this fluorine atom, every fluorine atom contains 9 electrons. So, electronic configuration of fluorine is written 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. In this fluorine atom, one s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in bond formation. This 1s orbital remains as non-bonding orbital. So only two 2s orbitals and six 2p orbitals of two fluorine atoms combines with each other and forms 8 molecular orbitals. In the fluorine molecule, 2s and 2p orbitals are well separated in energy, so they do not interact with each other, and the energy sequence of molecular orbitals is written sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2px, pi 2py, pi 2pz, pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, and sigma star 2px. This is the MO diagram for F2 molecule. In this diagram, pictorial representation of fluorine molecule is shown. In this diagram, at left side you see here increasing energy is shown by pointed arrow towards the upper side. In the F2 molecule, two fluorine atoms, one fluorine atom's atomic orbital is shown at the left side. Second fluorine atom's atomic orbitals are shown at the right side. And by combination of that two, the molecular orbital formed is shown at in between that two atomic orbitals. Now, this molecular orbital diagram is formed by combination of 2s atomic orbital of first fluorine and 2s atomic orbital of second fluorine. When wave functions of both the atomic orbital is same, then sigma 2s bonding molecular orbital is formed, which have lower energy, and when wave functions are different, then higher energy sigma star 2s anti-bonding molecular orbital is formed. In this way, two 2s atomic orbital forms two molecular orbitals. One is sigma 2s and other is sigma star 2s. 2p atomic orbitals of first fluorine atoms and 2p atomic orbitals of second fluorine atoms. It also interacts with each other and it forms sigma 2px, pi 2py and pi 2pz. So three atomic orbitals of first fluorine and second fluorine forms three bonding molecular orbitals which have lower energy. Remaining three molecular orbitals are formed when atomic orbitals of fluorine have different wave functions. and in that here pi star 2py, pi star 2pz and sigma star 2px, these molecular orbitals are formed. So this molecular orbital form in this case is similar to the other diagrams. So in short, we have discussed these. Now the total number of electrons in atomic orbitals is filled in the molecular orbitals. So in first atom 7 electrons present, in second atom 7 electrons present, and this 7 and 7 14 electrons filled in the molecular orbitals. So these are filled in the sequence sigma 2s 2 electrons, sigma star 2s 2 electrons, sigma 2px 2 electron, pi 2py 2 electrons, pi 2pz 2 electrons, and antibonding pi star 2py and pi star 2pz. Each molecular orbitals contains 2 electrons. So in this way, these molecular orbitals fills by electron according to the above principle and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity Pauli's exclusion principle. From this diagram, we can write the molecular orbital electronic configuration of F2 molecule. So, while writing the molecular orbital electronic configuration of F2 molecule, the presence of non-bonding 1s2 electron is shown by letter K, because these two electrons are present in the first shell, and that first shell we can give the notation by K. So in fluorine atom molecules, there are two fluorine atoms takes parts in the bond formation, so that letter K is repeated and we write KK. The remaining 14 electrons of the fluorine molecule that can fill by the certain principles, that is above principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, and according to that the electrons are filled, and that electronic configuration of F2 molecule is written as KK sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 sigma 2px2 pi 2py2 pi 2pz2 pi star 2py2 pi star 2pz2. So this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of F2 molecule. From this electrons field in the molecular orbital diagram, we write the energy evolved and bond order in fluorine molecule. So energy evolved during the formation of F2 molecule is given by the formula energy evolved is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals into plus beta. So we add the value of this electron field in bonding and antibonding molecular orbitals. So in bonding molecular orbitals, 8 electrons present into minus beta. In antibonding, 6 electron into plus beta. So by that solving, we get minus 2 beta energy. So in the F2 molecule, energy evolved is minus 2 beta, and that is called as stabilization energy of fluorine molecule. In case of the bond order of F2 molecule, we calculate that bond order by the simple formula that number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbitals divided by 2. So in bonding molecular orbitals, 8 electrons present. In anti-bonding molecular orbital, 6 electrons present. So 8 minus 6 divided by 2. So we get value 1. So the bond order is 1. Means in F2 molecule, single bond is present. This single bond have bond length 1.44 degree angstrom and bond energy is 38 kilocalories per mole. This F2 molecule is stable, but as compared with O2 molecule, N2 molecule, the strength of this bond is weak because in oxygen molecule and nitrogen molecule, the bond energy is so much high. Here, bond energy of F2 molecule is only 38 kilocalorie. So, as compared with O2 and N2 molecule, F2 molecule is weaker bond. Now, magnetic property of F2 molecule. So, from the molecular orbital diagram, we have seen that F2 molecular orbitals not contains single or unpaired electron. All electrons are paired and hence this F2 molecule shows diamagnetic property. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.